In 1932, Australia faced an unusual problem, a massive emu invasion. After World War I, soldiers were given land in Western Australia to farm, but emus migrated to that area in droves. With little to no natural predators, these large birds wreaked havoc on crops, devouring grain and damaging fences. Farmers pleaded for help, leading the government to intervene with a military response. Armed with rifles, soldiers were sent in to control the emu population. However, the birds proved surprisingly elusive, evading capture and leading to a series of comical military failures. In the end, the emus triumphed, and the government abandoned the campaign, leaving the farmers to fend for themselves against the resilient birds.